Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I just wanted to give you a really quick tip on a trendy way to use ribbon and trims on your card making projects. And it's just really easy, and I wanted to give you a tip on how I do it to save on your ribbon and trim. So anyway, here is a die cut piece that I have for a card that I'm going to make, and I want some of this scalloped lace trim to just extend a little bit beyond the end. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just lay that against the back there, and I want it extending a little past one end and then the other. Cut it longer than you need. Okay, so let me get my scissors and just trim that off. Okay, so now I'm going to take some snail adhesive and run it along the bottom edge there where I want the trim. And then, where's my piece I cut? Here it is. Then I'm just going to line that up here like that and make sure it's got a good stick on it. Press it down, and then you can trim away what you don't need. So first I cut it straight off, okay? And then since this is at an angle, okay, this edge here, I'm going to trim this at an angle so that it's flush with the edge. So on this one, I'm just going to come up like this. Okay? And there you have a cute little border that looks really cute on a card. In fact, I'll be showing you one that I use this on in the next video. So if you have any questions, let me know. Simple tip, but really adds a fun little accent to your card. Take care and let me know if you have questions. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.